Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to a new episode. As you can see, we have already prepared our cylinder block. It's already washed, all the ports of the water and the oil. Also we have ready the cylinder head to be placed on our engine. We have a new gasket, we will place the new gasket, tighten up the bolts and place all the miscellaneous parts. Okay, now we have to spray our cylinder head and our block with some copper spray. We will spray each one with one layer, let it sit about 15 minutes, and then a second layer, give it about 5 minutes, place the gasket and tighten up the bolts of the cylinder head. Okay, our first layer is laid down, so we will let it dry for 15 minutes and come back for the second layer. Okay, our first layer is dry, so now we will start with the second layer, give it 5 minutes and place our gasket to tighten up our cylinder head. Okay, we have set our torque wrench to the torque specs of our bolts, and we have also printed a cycle with the degrees that we have to tighten the bolts after the torque wrench. So let's start from the center and go like a cycle. Okay, we have finished with our torque wrench, so now we have to tighten up the bolts to the specs of the degrees that the manual said. Okay, we have finished with the degrees of our bolts. They are torqued down to spec, so now we will adjust our valves. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. As you can see, our engine is perfect and complete. We have assembled the cylinder head, tightened up the bolts, make sure that the gap of our valves are correct. We have placed the rocker cover, but we have to place the gasket first. So now we have to place all the miscellaneous parts on our engine, place the gearbox that we have to paint it, and we have also sent our car for cleaning at the engine bay to prepare it for painting. We have already ordered some new parts for our car, so stay tuned for the next episode that we will assemble all the miscellaneous parts, clean our engine bay, prepare it for painting. Subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell down below, and see you on the next episode.